Ciao, nice people! Welcome on a new stream of RPG Maker! That's a long time we don't stream game development. Well, there are many reasons. Usually streaming development of a game is hard if you are making a very complex game. So I will probably at least stream a side project sometimes. Otherwise, streaming only one is kinda hard. Hi Zoro, Drunk Slime Merge what? It's a name of a side project actually, because it started on the where is it? I lost it. On the started from the everyone else side project. I started doing a side project using basic graphics for now, where you play as everyone except the protagonist, and usually each scene you play as someone else, like the armory guy, the king, the slime in the forest, the evil lord. And usually each scene has a small mini game. And for a scene in the prison, I made some sort of merge mini game, slime merge mini game, which was maybe too much effort for a mini game that probably won't happen based on your choices. And I thought, oh, would be cool to make a game around this mechanic. A side project. And that's why I chose to, well, move the minigame to another project and make a very small game about the slime merge mechanic. I might probably try to add the game a different graphic style. I will try to draw it myself because I don't think the game requires a realistic tileset or a good looking one. So we will try to make a very short game about slime merging. Without a story, I think could be a simple mini game. Where's the Academy? Wait, it didn't. That's right. Last time it didn't happen, the Academy. That's weird. Also, we have a gacha pool, but I should check the Streamlabs because it seems like they resetted my notifications for some reason. That's weird. Okay, so the gift. So the lead. I hope it's written right. It's a long sentence each time. Yeah, you got Hasmag. I don't remember who Asmag is. He's probably a very side character. Which I probably did by clicking the random button one stream. But yeah, cool people. Surely cool people will always come out of it. The dev stream is real! Yeah, I'm happy to see persons here because last times I got less leverage on it. Okay, we need to decide the main... Okay, we have already here some notes from the past. So, we need more slime color ranks because until now, up until now you can merge slimes, but every merge you change a color based on a self switch. But since there are only 4 self switches, you can't have more than 5. A setup win condition, small menu in game, the basic level 1, 2, 3, 4. Check if I moved at least one slime. Okay, because if I move into a wall, it still counts as a movement. And then we need, well, all the rest, everything else. Where should we start? Well, for now, let's see how the minigame plays out. Because for now, it's pretty simple. You just merge slimes in one direction and you do stuff. That's not pretty compelling. I think a different layout or less slimes could help solving this problem. Also, we have the... How should I call it? I forgot if it had a name. Let's see. Where you can select only one slime to move. Now I pressed a button and I have a selector here. I need a target character, but for now this semi-transparent will do. So I select the blue one and I can only move the blue one. We already have a bug on the limited movement bar. Yeah, we have it. And when it runs out, we can't move only that slime anymore. But was enough to fuse them together. Okay. That was weird that the bar had that visual bug. It wasn't just a visual bug though. You can see. Bye-bye slime. I wonder if I... No, it's not really a bye-bye you. It's way more simple, this game. Still. I should maybe... I should make some effort on designing levels, maybe. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have a problem. The count... For now, let's try to fix the bug. The value bar starts by overclocking or whatever it is. I can charge it by merging. Let's see. Okay, I think the problem is... Wait, the first step is free. I need to try something. Maybe the first step is free, and which I don't really want. So, let's see. Select one, move, and it's not. So, okay, we have a problem of overcounting, overhealing. The bar is higher than it seems. It's a second person narrative. That's right, everyone else is a second... Ooh. Zoro, that's a nice idea to publicize the game, actually. I will surely keep it in mind. It's a very smart idea to define the game. We surely grab some people's attention. I will surely use that later. For the other game, though. So... Okay, it's a long time I don't take the project. Also, I forgot to add any comment, which is a very bad habit of mine. So, at least we have decent variable names. I think the simple solution is when you activate the bar, you just set the value bar as the maximum value bar. I think that will solve everything. So... The drunk slime bar is the actual value, while this is the max bar value. Okay. So I think I can just make a condition here and check if the drunk slime bar is higher than the max value. Let's see, drunk slime bar is strictly higher than the max bar value, then it sets the drunk slime bar, which is the special bar, as the maximum value. Okay, I think this will solve everything. Yeah, because I don't remember how I called it, but I wanted to make the mechanic as you select a slime and it becomes like super drunk. I don't know, so it can move by itself. Okay, the problem seems to be solved, actually. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, it works this time. We don't have any overclocking or whatever it is. Okay, we got one problem solved. Then, we need this win condition for a level. Maybe before that we should address the other problem, which is we have a limited amount of merges. Because we have the baseline, we have the first fusion slime, second fusion slime, 4 slimes, 8 slimes, 16 slimes, and then that's it. which I know it sounds a lot, but surely we need at least 1 or 2 ranks above. So the problem is we run out of self switches, so we need a different way to address those slimes, to count those slimes differently. I think a good solution could be we keep the count separately on a matrix for each slime, and for changing the color we just call a function. We can easily change color here, for example. Change image, and you get one of those. Pretty easy. Well, easy, not really, we need to use the script to target the specific slime, but we can. At least we can. So, we need to edit a lot of core fundamentals of the game though. So, this is the main function, where you press a button, decides where to move, and this is the main script. Wow, I really appreciate now that MV allows a longer script, because MV only lets you use a single window, which is very, very awkward. I really like MZ at least. Okay, so we need to check where it uses the self switches. Here. Switch values A, B, C, D. I wonder if we can add other self switches value by common events, but we still can't edit their color on the windows, so I think it's better to automatize this without any switch value. So, I really need some notes for those. Okay, those are probably the conditions for merging. Okay, yeah, those are surely okay, perfect. Those are conditions for merging. They check if they have the same higher self switch. Because if a slime has a self switch A activated and another has the self switch B activated, they can't merge. They need to have the same higher self switch. Yeah, I should change this method, because also it's kinda hard to explain. Because the first merge, the A is active. The second merge, B is active, but also A is active. So I need to check the further one if it's the same as the other slime that is touching. So I think I will just remove these letters and just go with a count. Every slime has a counter which indicates how many times it merged. It's way easier to explain, to understand, and not really to program, but it's probably easier to manage. Okay, first of all, we need a matrix. We need that initialization here. We need that initialization of every slime. So, let's see. We have a slimes merge count, we can call it. And we initialize it as a empty matrix. Okay. I should probably initialize it better, because here every single time it builds an entire matrix containing every slime. I should probably optimize it before. Here, what it's doing is, again, it's getting every active slime in the scene and saving it in a matrix. So, every slime considers every event from the event number 5 to event number 30. We should probably also change that. We could use an event tag to recognize it, because probably later we will be having more than 30 slimes. I don't know. So okay, let's take it one step at a time, shall we? Let's bring out... Do we need to bring... We need a little test here. So let's bring a note here. Slime here. Okay, rat, slime. It originally was slime, but a rat, but now it's a slime. Okay, I have a node slime, so if I can check if an event has the slime node, it will be much simpler. Easy to say though. How do we check the node? I don't know. That's a pretty good question. I think the simpler way is to check make map events dot node. We don't know if that's the right way to address this event though. So let's make a test. Game map dot events I, and we print the entire event. Console, it's not a weak size. Console.log. Okay, it will print a lot of events, but let's see. Error. My bad. What did I wrong? What I did wrong? Because there wasn't an event of this number, maybe. Yeah, okay. That's why this condition was there in the first place. Okay. I just want to check how it's called the tag. Let's see. Come on. I did something wrong, maybe? Is game up event I. The error starts from the 5. Event. Yeah, I forgot an S here. Okay. The error is always a text-based error. Okay, here are all the events. Let's see. So, we are wait, which number is this one? The 5, okay, perfect. So, should be in the top of the list. Move route, map ID. 3? Okay, maybe not this one. This one. Okay, not the slime, it's the slime. Character index, no. Move speed, where was it? We have also the coordinates. Did it fuse already? Wait. Let me try it. I shouldn't fuse them because I just need to test only one slime. And it could disappear. Okay, here. The coordinates, if we need them, are 9, 6. So this is 9, 7, so the previous one, right? 9, 6, here. Where do I check? It's not a slime, so it's a slime. Nevertheless. Map ID. Wait, that's the wrong ID. I should maybe just print the event number 5. I need to check if I can read the exact tag, or at least understand if that's a slime I really need. I need to understand how to separate game events with slime events, which sounds weird actually. If I equals to 5. Okay, he is here. Pretty simple. Or I can just print the number 5 in the first place. Oh well. Here we have all the details of the Why are there so many? We have all the data of our slime. The number 5. We have the sprite sheet ID. Can I zoom it? Yes, I can. Okay, this will be easier. So we have the index, the sprite. I can just check the sprite, but If I change it later, it could be a mess. We have the ID, which is 5. The map, okay, the map ID is the ID of the map. That's why I was confused before. Move speed, opacity, direction. We don't have anything resembling the tag though. So maybe we got the wrong map event, the wrong function for getting the information. Maybe there's another one, like this one. I should check now the big list of events. Yeah, yes. Event, let's see. Should not here, maybe. Maybe here? No. Something that edits any event. Really. Okay, okay, here it is. GameUp.event. That's what I needed. But it's a function. Okay, okay. Let's go this way. Okay, now we have a different column. Now we have a... It's the same, right? Wait, it's the same. Well, it's still the game event. I was hoping to get some extra information though. I was hoping to get any extra information. Instead we have the same call. Oh well. At this point we can just... I think the simplest solution can be just to get any event that has an image. I think we can filter slimes by those that have an image. For example, if we take the event number 2, which doesn't have an image, we get that character name is empty because the event doesn't have any image. So I just check if something has a character name, and if it does, I will insert it into the list of things to move. So, instead of this, I should probably make a backup. No, not really. This is looping every event. I should maybe increase the looping space from like 290, but I will add an extra condition. And then the character name is different from empty. So game map event number I y dot character name different from empty. Is it all? Okay, so the full condition is it needs to exist. If it doesn't exist, it stops there, because otherwise checking anything else would bring an error. Then checks if the event is not deleted, which is an array, and then checks if also the item has a name, so I can be less strict on the values there. So anything that has an image will be moved. I can add other condition for not moving some sort of images, but for now it's working. Okay, we have it. We expanded the possibility of our slimes. That's nice. Now, this was secondary. We need to expand another thing, which is the number of mergeable slimes. Up until now, you can merge slimes up of 4 times. 5 times is programmed, but it will revert to the first stage, so it's kind of a loop which we don't want. So we need to have here on initialize a slime merge count. I need to do an experiment with this though. Programming is half beta testing and half testing, experimenting, and 0.1% writing code. So, let me check if... so, slime merge count. I will see number 5. I will set it to 4. And then check the entire value. So if this works, it should be also create the first four values. Let's see. Ah, okay. They're just not there. Okay, the value 5 is 4 and length is 6. The first one are not even defined. So I should probably check if those values are defined. Otherwise it might crash. Let's see. If I try to check number 6, it will probably crash, right? No, it doesn't. Oh, okay, that's pretty convenient. It doesn't crash, it tells us it's undefined. That's plenty helpful. That means we can, if the value is undefined, that means the slime is not merged. Pretty awesome. Okay. That will simplify the things by a lot. So, we need to edit the main code, though. So, probably here we have the big code right there. So, the switch values is not really needed. We can remove it, but we need to see where it's used. So I should probably copy the code and edit it on any editor we have around. Not a really JSON file though. No, not JSON. I will take a random plugin here. Okay, just to have a code editor. So, okay, here is our code. Let's zoom it a lot. Oh, perfect. Well, maybe not too much. Okay, we just need to replace those switch values. Because we used it a lot. So, switch values was to check each of the 4 values. So, we use a lot of conditions here. Okay, I get it. For each slime, we check every single self switch from A, B, C, D. And we stop at the higher, at the first one that it's not on. And we set the value as K. So if A is open, K is 1. If B is also open, K is 2. C is not open, so K stays 2. And current value of each slime stops at that number. The number is what we exactly need for defining the number of merges a slime had. So we just need to replace this value with our number, which sounds easy. We just need to make it work with all the code we had up until now. So, first of all, we don't need anymore to check the self switch value. We just need to remove all this code, because all this code is just to set the current value. Now the current value is just how was it called? The slime's merge count of that specific ID, which is event ID. Okay. Current value is slime merge count of that event ID. That's everything, right? Not really. Wait. We have a double condition here. The first one checks if a specific self switch is active. Replacing an old code is not an easy task. Okay, no wait, this is the... wait. Event ID. Why are there two different codes here? Wait, I'm confused. Ah, okay, no, this is the map ID. Okay, map ID. So we don't need the value. The event ID we are using. Okay, this one is checking if this slime, which merge value as this slime has. Then though it makes another connection and checks the next target. Okay, which is the slime next in line. Okay. So we just need to get those two values. Okay, I get it. Those define the highest value between them, which is weird. I think we just need to redo all this part altogether, maybe. I think we just need to do all this part altogether. So, first of all, we get the current value of the actual slime. And we should probably get the value of the next slime in line. Current value 2 of the next target ID, which we already have. And then we check the two conditions. Okay. We need two conditions to make two slimes merge. First one is they have the same ID number. The second one is that they all have the same switch is activated. We can get rid of all of them and just have a single condition, because by using value instead of switches it's way less complicated. We just have a value for each slime. How many times has slime merged is way easier to compare. And less stressful maybe. Okay, so we don't need any of these. We don't even need the condition. We just need to check if current value 1 is equal to current value 2. The value of one slime is equal to the one of the second one. If it's undefined, I think it still counts. So I don't even need to check if it's undefined. If it crashes, we maybe need to check, but for now, not really needed. Okay, it's not over though, because after they merge, we need to update those values. So, this one is to set the switch value, which again we don't need. We just need to increase the value by 1. So, slime merge count of the event ID increases by 1 if it's not undefined. So we need to make a check first. I think it's easier maybe to... Hi Lolo, nice to see you there. Right into programming, yay! We are developing the side project. Well, actually, considering to the upper dam and Artisio, maybe it's the side project. Still, we are building the way up to continuing any game or concluding any game. Well, the main reason is again making respawn button in stream is much complex, so we'll do it less often. For now, we are in the side project, which is very short at least. It's a merge game with slimes, of course. I should do some art streams, because I also want to draw the graphics of the game. That will be very simple. And now I'm fixing the spaghetti code I had before. So first of all, I need to check if the value I'm checking is undefined or not. So, if it's not undefined... Wait, no. If it's undefined, I need to fix it. How was it here? If it's undefined, the value is 1 or 0. Okay. After converting it, if it's undefined, we just change the value. And we increase the value by 1 plus equal 1. Okay, that's easy. We don't need all these self switches crap, for sure. Yeah, we don't need any of those. Delete, delete. And we move the slime that merged with the previous one away. There's something wrong here. Ah, yeah, I forgot if. Is it all? So which values is not used anymore? We have a parenthesis problem here though. What did I do? What did I do? I'm sorry, what? I forgot something. And I don't know. Ah, wait, yeah, I don't need a 4 anymore here. Okay. Okay, we don't need any of those. And this code works. Now we unfortunately ruin this graceful coloring and we need to paste everything in the engine code window. I'm sorry, we ruin all the coloring. We need to do it, okay. Here, okay. Now, first crash test. Let's see if it works. I knew it! Wait, slime's merge count is not defined. What do you need? What do you mean? It is. Initialize here. Maybe I wrote it wrong. Ah, wait, maybe I forgot the S. To make it global. Yeah, I forgot to make it global. Here, okay. I just needed to make it global, okay. A little everywhere. Now it's Mr. Worldwide, or variable worldwide. I still forgot it somewhere, I swear. I know. Where? Where? Ah, wait, yeah, I didn't really update the current value of the game. Okay, okay. Okay, now it's updated. And now it okay, now it merges without a problem. Well, there is a problem, which is the slime don't change color. Even if they are merged, they are not of the same color. So, what do we do now? Before, the color changed based on the self switch. Now we don't use self switches anymore, so we need to do it manually. How to do it manually? Good question! I don't know myself, that's why we will use the biblically accurate script call for RPG Maker. So we need to change the event graphics. Maybe we need it on movement here. Maybe? Yeah, it's probably there. Change image here. Character set image, name index. Okay, sounds pretty easy. So where do we change it to? Right when we are merging those slimes. So here they merge. After they merge, I should do it here after increase the value. We have character dot set image. Wait, character. Yeah, I need something there. Character is not recognized. Game app events number event ID. Here. Set image, we set the name and the index. For now we will do the index equal to their merge count value. Later, well, I will keep it this way, but I need to edit the char set accordingly. And then the name of the image. So, how it's called? It's pretty empty down there, huh? Nud slime. It's called Nud slime. Later we will replace it with our value, but for now, it should work like this. It disappeared. It disappeared! Why? What's wrong now? What's wrong now? We need nadoslime.png maybe? Let's try a simple value here, like 3. Event ID should be right though. Why it's not working? Maybe it needs a .png? No. I'm pretty sure it doesn't need a .png. It only needs the name. Okay, the problem was the name after. So, it's yellow because the number 3, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, is yellow. So, we need a merge count ID here. If it's undefined, it's 0. If it's not, increases by 1. So, where's the problem? I don't get the problem. Let's try to print it. Alert is... Let's get a more invasive option. Okay. Slime.png not found. Is that a sequel of the Louis game? None. Okay, we got a none problem. Why? Why though? I'm asking for the slime merge count event ID, which was increased right now. Wait. Oh no. What did happen here? Alert. Let's alert and see what happens before the addition. Maybe it's a string, I don't know. Something weird happened right there. Undefined. What do you mean undefined? I explicitly told the game, if it's undefined, then set it to 0. Ah, wait. I did a big mistake. I said that if it wasn't undefined, it's 0. That means if it was undefined, I don't do anything. That was the opposite of what I wanted to do. Okay. This should be right. So now we have white, then green, then red, and then yellow. But it can go on for more levels. Will become purple, orange, white. It's status white though. Let's do a test. Let's delete everything except one. And start from a blue one. I can delete everything, okay. Common event, perfect. And now we can add more even more slimes, yay! We should also try to break the prison, maybe. This one is not what I wanted, okay. For now, let's see with those slimes. It should work. It does, yeah! Oh, perfectly aligned, that's awesome. I forgot the order of colors though. But yes, here we have. We reached the purple slime, right? Yes. Going even further is harder, but if we start again with more slime colors, it will be easier. Now we have a perception problem. Because if I told you... Yes, which slime is the most merged one? I should surely wouldn't know, because the colors don't tell me anything. So we need a way to tell the player which slime is the most merged one. As you probably remember, the old mobile game 2048, was it? You merge numbers. 2 becomes 4, 4 and 4 becomes 8, 8 and 8 becomes 16, and so on. It's easy there to understand which slime is the biggest because they were numbers. You don't have numbers on the slimes. So we have a way to make it clear which slime is the most merged one and how to progress through them. I should probably make some sort of indicator below, some sort of legend. For example, we have light blue slime, arrow green slime, arrow red slime, arrow yellow slime, arrow purple slime. With maybe more... We could use the rainbow color also. Some sort of sequence that is at least understandable. We could use the rainbow colors. We will come to that when we'll decide how to do the drawing of the characters. Why the... Ah, yeah. I need to activate here. Okay. Drunk mode. I separated them. Okay, the focus of the main mechanic should be the drunk mode when you choose one slime to move separately. So we should start to make puzzle based around that mechanic. First of all, too many. Let's remove them. Also, another thing, I want to make slime start on a different values. But I think I have a solution for that. Is there possible to know which part of the which character you have here? Is it possible from the code to know if I have a blue slime or a green slime? Let me try it. Wait, we need to do extra testing. So we have slime 1, slime 2, and slime 3, and they have the same sprite, but this has the 0-ish sprite. The second one the 1, and the third one the 2. So we need to print those lines and see if we can read those values. So it's already there. So let's see. It's already there. Console log, game up event number I. I. It's I. So we do one move, and my bad. I forgot to remove this thing. Okay. Okay, so we have the 3 slimes here. Nazo slime. Character index 1. Oh wait, they are ordered in a different way. Because we have the first one is the 8, second one is the 1, and the third one is the 3. So it's first, second, third. It's already promising because the character index is 1. If the second one is 2, we are on a good track. Yeah, it's 2. So the value we are looking for is character index, and this is 0. Perfect, okay, that's all we need. So, character name shows which sprite he's using, and the character index, which part of the sprite we are using. This is pretty huge. I never use those things, but it's pretty cool to learn about them. Oh, Yoko Lokoko! Hi! How it's going? Oh no. I got asked the question beforehand. Pretty good, thanks. We are working on the side project, I'm not kidding, to make a pretty short puzzle game about merging slimes. I kinda like the idea. Should be event character index. Okay, yes, you were right. Just in case though, I checked for knowing the exact capitalizing of everything. Okay. So we can already use it on the initialization. Here we update the slime merge count, how many times a slime has merged. This would be pretty useful if this already knows how many times a slime has merged. And how many times does a slime merge? It's for now based exactly on the character index. If it's 0, it merged 0 times. And so on. So should be a pretty telling point. So we just need to initialize every event again. We don't need a console log anymore. Okay, let's see. I don't think it's optimal to have two different initializations or two different loops, but for now, let's go. So, this is an initialization, so we just need to check if it has a name. Or, yeah, let's keep the check if it exists. Okay. Perfect. Now, for every single event, it checks if it exists and if it has an image. If it has an image, then we will add on the count on the matrix the value for each slime. So game map events number I, we get the character index and we save this value to the slimes merge count. Oh, still of the y, of the I. I hope it works. So let's make a test. Now we have 3 slimes with doubles. I forgot something. Oh no, what did I forget? Here probably. Yeah, we are missing one closing bracket. Okay. I'm on a break from deving because of studies. I'm the opposite. I'm on a break from studies for deving. Okay, now we have those lines. Hopefully the code recognized those two as the same mergeable ones. And it does. Let's see now. And let's see now. Perfect. So now the code recognized, based on the sprite I choose here, which is pretty cool on its own, how many times or which rank this slime is. Rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. That means if we add more slimes of different colors, it will be a fun moment, actually. And we can finally start to see the puzzle part of it. Yeah, not too many because otherwise it would be a mess to merge, but now we can finally have a minigame. Oh no, my head. Ah! Yeah, we should make it simpler though, because for now it's a very big brain destroyer, probably. Also, we still don't know the sequence of those. Probably the purple is the next one. Let's go with the drunk slime tactic. How should I do? Now I can only have 2 moves here. Okay, that's though the mechanics of the game start to get interesting, because now I have to think. Since I have the full bar, I can freely move one single slime to tiles. So I can choose, I want to merge this purple one with the other purple one. because after the purple, there's the orange. So we can reach the white slime. I wonder if there's a way. Well, there surely is, but... we move this slime away. Ah, wait. Select this slime, move, leave. Okay, now we can move those up and... double orange, fuse! And we have the white one. I still don't know why there's game over, boy. I forgot about it. But we reached the white slime. We just need to remove the game over ball, which I don't know why it appears. Wait, it's a win condition. So we already programmed a win condition here, which is nice. Still, where is the win condition? Where did they put the... Here, okay, here's the win condition. Ah, no, it's the lose condition. When I use all the moves, it's game over. Oh. I got an exam in September, so I can spare any brain power for deving. September. Yeah, I still have only myself one exam, but I also have a thesis to write, and I'm not really doing well. I have a lot of... yeah, I hardly find the motivation to write it, so that's very hard. Okay, we have now the freedom of moving slimes. We have some sort of lose condition. We need a win condition, and also... let's see, we need to define the limited moves. Okay, which are defined here though, which is at least simple to define. Let's see if I can define the starting value of the bar. If I can set the bar value, initial value as 1. No. It counts only after I move. So... I should probably call this common event to check if the value gets updated. I think that's smart. So, 23. So when I start the level, I will call common event 23 just to check if the value of the bar is correct. It doesn't change anything. Come on. Where's the problem? Control slime charge here. Oh well, a problem for another time, okay. Now we should focus on the win condition. The win condition is when the player reaches a certain rank of slime. Let's say white slime for now. The rank slime has character ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should probably define on the initialize a variable for it. So, rank, no. Merge rank objective. Let's make 5 for testing, which is easier. Now, how do we consider this? Well, every time we merge, we make a check. Or I should make it after we move. In case of... I should call this event penalize move. So we can check here the lose condi... Wait, not here. Here. Is it? Wait, I'm pretty sure limited moves here penalizes every movement. We call it at the end, right? We call decrease value, which is not what I was expecting. When do you call increase controls? No, limited moves. When do you call it? I wonder. Because I want to use it as a finalization of each step. Does it even get cold? Wait, I forgot how I programmed this thing. Well, probably this gets called at the end of each step, so I think we can use this one. So, before everything, we check if merge rank objective is equal, or I should say here, max rank merge value of the max slime value. We can call it simpler. If it's equal or higher than the objective. If we merged enough slimes, we win. Let's get it there. You win! You win! The only problem now is the max slime value is not increasing. It should increase each time I merge a slime. So, we still know the slime merge count event ID is the rank of the slime. So, we should do a check here. If I forgot the variable value. So, max slime value is 25. So, game variables value 25. If the max rank, this value saves the max rank of the slime we merged. If the next slime we merged are of a higher rank, which means are more slime merged together. So if I merge two blue slimes on the next one, it's higher rank by one. This is pretty hard to explain. Wait, I save in those variables the slime with a higher number. Okay, the number is determined by the number of times the slime merged with the others. If the value of the new slime I merge is higher than the recorded one, I will update the value. Only if it's strictly bigger. Okay. So if it's bigger, I will update the value. In variables 26, I will set it as the slime merge count, and it will be updated. Set value. I hope it counts. Let's see. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. So, we need to reach the slime rank orange, which is after the purple. So we have already two purple, so it should be easy. Should it? Okay, now. And here's the orange. The problem is we win only after moving. So I should maybe call it elsewhere. Together with the game over though. Wait, that means the checking if you lose should be here. Here, limited moves, finalize move. I should call it after moving, probably. Let's see. I should call it there. Okay. Let's see if it changes something. Let's try to win. Easy. And we won. Okay, okay. It will appear each time. Let's see if it's the same for the game over, which will take a while. I'm sorry. 2, 1. No. Only after we move, so we need to edit the condition a little. If the limited moves is... Wait. Okay, because we decrease the value. Should be major or equal to 0. Otherwise it needs to go below 0 to trigger. Almost there. Meanwhile, let's try a merge tactic here. Okay, okay. Just to waste some extra moves. No. Oh, -1. That is even lower than needed. What's the problem? Maybe I should put, instead of 0, 1. Because this number decreases now. No, wait. Wait. There's an else. This is an else. That means we still go if the number is strictly higher than 0. No. Okay, if it's... I should put this condition after. So, first of all, we move everything. We change the numbers on screen. Only then we check if we reach the limit. So, limited moves, if it's minor or equal to 0, it's a game over. Let's see. Now it should work. And now we finally have the win and the lose condition. Finally. 3, 2, 1, 0. Game over, boy. Perfect. It can go below, but at this point we solved it. Okay, okay, we have it, we have it. Now we just need to define, well, other than levels, the menu. We will probably make a event-based menu because I don't know how to make other type of menus, okay? I just don't know. Okay. I don't have the right fantasy for making level design, I have to be honest though. We can start making... how many hours are we in stream? 1 hour and a quarter. Okay, we can go with a little more. So first of all, we have more ranks, we did it. In condition, we did it. Perfect. Okay, we need to check if I moved at least one slime. Because, as we saw, if we move into a wall, still counts as a movement. Which really shouldn't. The problem is, how do I fix it? We need to check if at least one slime moved. Which is not easy at all. We need to check each slime moving. Which we could. It will take some effort though. At least it should be fun. Okay, let's take a code again. Here it's easier probably. Okay. So. This is the thing moving the slime. I should probably check if the moved slime has the previous coordinates correct. Let's make a test. So, slime X. This will take a lot of variables. So, move straight direction. Wait, I already calculated the target IDs here. I calculated the next target ID with X and Y. So I just need to check if the event ends up in that specific coordinates. I don't remember the code for it, but I already did it on Respawn Banter, so let's see. If I remember correctly well, in each slime actually I did this check here. game player, okay, dot position of those coordinates. I just need this code. Okay. So, after moving, I check if the event position is equal to the calculated x and y. So, game events event id dot position if it's equal to just x and y. I will console.log to see if works. Ah yeah, I need to insert it into the game, okay. Oh, hi Tonuphilian, how it's going? Stop to drop an hi, I'm Bill Lurking. Oh, thanks a lot, I appreciate it. I still remember you have a free avatar. A free pool from the previous time. Next time you pull, I will give it double. So now we are checking if we can understand if a slime moved. Yeah, we have a problem here. Slime X. Where's the problem? Slime X. Ah yeah, I forgot to remove this one, okay. If it works, it should be pretty simple. We have a lot of false. Do we have a true? I don't think we have a true. Wait, why sometimes it doesn't appear the true? Weird. I will remove the slimes. A lot of slimes. Okay, now it will be a true for sure. Let's see if it happens. We don't have any value here. Weird. As if the true doesn't appear. As if the true doesn't appear. Let's make an alert. Let's see what happens. We will have 4 alerts though. So we don't have any alert. Why? Ah, wait. Wait, we already did this calculation. This only moves if they can't move. Yes, okay, okay. That means this was unnecessary. Well, we still need to save the value maybe for later. For now. That means this is only called while they're not moving. So the previous one gets called if they are moving somewhere. Wait. It can call this wait. This else is called while they're not merging, but I don't understand. This should be called also when they move. There's something weird on this script. Let's see. So, we are calculating the ID of the next tile. If there's no event in the next tile, they just move forward. Okay, okay. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Okay. So we need... What are the conditions for considering a move as a step counted? I mean, if we press a button and nothing happens, we don't need to decrease the value. Like it's happening there. No, here's... Wait. I need to remove some debug before. If we press a button, it counts as a move if we have at least one merge or at least one slime moved. but also slime moves when they have a merge. But here it's different. So we need to set a to set a flag if at least one slime merges or a slime moves. Should be pretty easy, right? First of all, event ID. Okay, we need to set it outside of this loop though, because all of this works inside a loop here. So we could set a switch. Sure, let's set a switch. So, loop, no, outside of the loop. Let's set this as a variable. So, counts as a move. I would prefer a better name. So, something happened. Okay, easy. Let's set as false. It will reset each step. Now we just set it as true if... Wait. This isn't always the case, because if an event doesn't have anything in the front, that could still be a wall. For now, let's set it as true here, and after the merge here. Okay. Now we just need to check the last problem, which is if I press a button when everyone is on the wall, it shouldn't count as a move. So we just need to do a last check, which is this. If the game map this event after moving is in a new position, in a predicted position actually. If it is in the predicted position, then it counts as a move. If it's not, I won't update anything. Okay. Okay, here it is. I will update the value and it should work. Now we are counting effectively if something happens. Wait, it still counts as a move. Why? Okay, nothing works here. Nothing works. Come on. Why? Ah, yeah, okay, I get why. We only update a switch. The switch by itself doesn't do anything. We need to do something if that switch is active or not. So, here counts the step movement. So if oh wait, it wasn't a switch. I forgot the name. I forgot the name. Something happened. If something happened, yes, it counts as a movement. If something happened, it is a movement indeed. If something didn't happen, or if not something happened, meaning I didn't actually move anything, it doesn't count as a movement. Let's see. 29. Yes. I'm moving but doesn't happen anything. 28. Yes, we have it. We need to check with the merge though. The merge should count as a movement though. So 29, 28, 27. Perfect. Now meshing the keyboard on the wall doesn't count as a movement. You should still buy a new keyboard at that point. Okay. We've also removed this annoying problem. Now, I saw another problem that the value The value didn't appear the first time. I should probably call the limited moves at the start of the game, maybe. Let's see. Let's see if there's an error or not. Well, before I need to define something happened, otherwise we have an error. Let's see. Still no numbers. Weird. I wanted numbers. Ah yeah, because nothing happened and so we don't have any text. I could make that if nothing happened, we still update the numbers. Just to avoid repetition. No, let's repeat for this one. Just for once. Here. 0, 0, limited moves. Okay. We just don't decrease limited moves. Okay. Okay, now it starts with 30 limited moves. 29, 28, etc, etc. It doesn't count here. Perfect. Okay, we have all the basis for a working minigame. I'm not saying fun. I think though the main important point for being fun is a good level design, as always. So I'm pretty lacking in that department, so we see what we can find. First of all, I really want that every level could be easily customizable by me, which means I can make new levels without a lot of effort, except the level design part. So instead of putting here initialize, I should put it before the level, which still shouldn't be hard. The max bar value and max rank objective. We still need to define limited moves though. But I think should be pretty easy. So let's make it another code. Okay. It's everything. Okay. So to start every level, now we need to insert or define these three values beforehand. Okay. Maybe the objective could be different, but I think we can customize it later. Okay. Now, let's make our first level, shall we? First of all, let's call this the test 2 because I really don't want to call it a level. So, here we have the first level ever! The lever. It was funnier in my head. So, as a first level, I should add something to smack their head around, like a column. And the objective of the first level is to merge up the red slime, which should be pretty easy, I suppose. We just need 4 slimes for it, with a limited amount of moves. Sounds too easy though. Let's put a green slime here. Okay, and remove 1. Now, how do I do it? Good question. Okay, limited moves, let's set it to 10. Rank objective is the 3rd rank. Wait, is it 2, right? Yeah, because it starts from 0. Let's see. I think it's easy though. Yeah, this is way too easy. Wait, wrong level. So it's easy. Up, and then left. Here, merge. 1. This is maybe too easy. I should add more difficulty maybe. Well, it's the tutorial, so... No, tutorial should be easier. I don't know. If I put it up there, we have a different matter. This is finally harder. Well, actually, we need to move them there and then merge them there. Easy. Well, it's still not just mash a random button and you win, so could be a nice first level, actually. I could reduce the number of moves, though. 7. We could make it tight, actually. Yeah, I got it wrong some way, even if it's very easy. Okay, 8 maybe is the better number. 8 maybe is better. We still have the problem that if we win on the same move of the loser, we get a you lose after you win. Even if after we win, probably the rest won't happen. Still, I think we can solve it by simply placing a else condition here. If we win, nothing else matters. Okay. Easy. Also, just to be cute, the max bar value is 2 now. So if we merge 2 times and we win, we get the value. The field bar. Talking about bar, I should make the second level about the full bar at this point, using the drunk slime speciality or whatever. So for this level, we need to reach rank 3, right? Yeah, before it was... What did I do? No. Okay, copy, paste. Level 2. For level 2, we have the merge rank 3. We need to reach the yellow rank. So we need other 4 slimes. The double of those. So I can bring another green one. Well, for now the map is temporary, okay? We have something like this. So, double those, we need to get... I can add another green slime here. I still think it's pretty easy like this. No, I want to make the player use now the... I could add instead orange slime here. Red slime. Which is in the way. I will make the max bar value as 1, so after one merge, the player can do something. 8 steps are not enough though. Ah, yeah, we need to pass on the next level. I should do a level selector. Let's see. Ah! New game. Yeah, this is not easy. I can go like this, but... Well, I think that's... We need 2 more steps. 1, 2, 3. 3 more steps. So if I put... Let's go with 11. This becomes a reasonable puzzle. So, okay, we maybe need only 10. Okay. Also, I should decrease the value anyways when you win. Yeah, I think it's better. Maybe then I could make the win only after the move check. Okay, I think this is right. So the value can decrease. Max bar value is 3. And maybe on the next level we will start to make the player use that value. I think now the game needs a reset button. Which should be easy, we just teleport to a map and then return to the previous map. Let's see if it's easy to program. So, reset button. It's a parallel process, only if the reset allowed. And what we do, we save the map ID. Well, we already have the map ID. So we teleport to, I don't know, the map, 0 map maybe. Can I do the 0 map? Is it an option? Well, fun fact, for Octostranded, I said I used only 1 map, but I have to confess something. I also used the 0 map to reset the map. So every time I want to reset the map, I transfer the player to the 0 map and then retransfer them to the actual map. So yeah, I technically had 2 maps used, but doesn't really count, you know. Also, yeah, I need to translate Octostranded in English. Next April Fools. I will release it next April Fools, okay? But then I will have another April Fool game. Oh no. I should stop doing games for stupid contests. But I love making stupid games. Well, for now we reset at map 0. Later I will see. Then you return to this map ID. The coordinates, I don't know. Temp, let's call it temp, okay. So I can use it also later. We set temp to 1. So you go to a map, then you turn to this map. But I need to reset also all switches, right? For example, I need to reset if you choose, you activate the, how it's called. Well, I need to reset every value actually. Select slime, moving only 1 slime, off, and direction off, 0. I don't need those. I just need to reset those 2 values. That's everything, right? I don't need to reset any. Ah, yeah, I need to delete images now. The image number 12, and which else? 12 and 11. Okay. 12, 11, delete. Oh, wait, I need also to activate the parallel event. And also make it, call it only when the player pushes a button. Does wait. I need to open Invalidate to remember how to check if a single button is pressed. I really want to use the R button. You know, it's the best button to reset after all. Where is it? Probably when you build the gate, right? Where is it? Here, no. Almost there. This one maybe, yes, no. Okay, yeah, input is pressed. We have it. If input is pressed, and then we set the value. I hope it's the right one. So if input is pressed, let's go with R. And if you press R, then you reset. Easy. Also, let's allow the reset by pressing 10. I should probably deactivate the ability to reset, because otherwise, if you hold R, something bad can happen. No, I don't know. Let's try it later. For now, R. Good. Nice start. It doesn't work. I got this. Maybe I need a capitalized R. Okay, something is not right. Maybe I need a plugin, maybe. I forgot about it. Probably a plugin. Yeah, DK full input I need. Do I? I swear there are other ways to check a button, right? Oh well, let's do the classic way then. If button, let's go with page down, which is W. Let's go with yeah, W. If you press W, it's a reset. Here. Move W. Okay. It stopped there. Hi, Raid. Why doesn't it work? Because I teleported to a map and the parallel event stopped for any reason? Okay, I hate when it happens, I know. So, I will then call another event at this point. I get it. It's true reset. So, if you press a reset button, you activate another switch. I swear there is probably a better way, but it won't take this long. Okay, so when you press this continuously check if you press the button. When you press it, you call another event, which this time is a auto run, so it won't stop by stupid things like stupid parallel events. And so it can reset without problems. Okay. Also, I think it's pretty nice to stop the player to be able to undo again. And then reactivate the ability to reset after everything else. Sorry. And also I probably need to deactivate this auto run event. Okay. I think it's everything. Let's go. Did I save? When did I save? Reset? And it's a reset! Okay, we need to check though because... Oh wait. If I reset during a movement, it still remembers the movement? That's weird. Probably in the way I programmed it. Right. Because the main moving is a parallel event, right? Yes. That means I probably have a direction press down, right? If I have direction yes. I need to reset also the direction value. Otherwise, they start moving again. So, let's go. Give the 17 equals 0. And now we won't have any problem. Maybe. I don't know. Yes, the entire movement is set. It's pretty ugly to have the scene change for a moment. I should make it do a black transition. But at least it's pretty fast, the reset. The reset is very fast. So, last check though. If I merge those, it will reset everything. Awesome. No, wait. The bar value is double. Okay, yeah, because we still need to make a finalization or initialization of each map. We need to reset every value at the start of each map. This is not a reset problem, it's a initialization problem, because when we conclude a level, the next level should be completely a blank slate again. So it's an initialization problem. So we should reset a lot of values here. First of all, the actual reset just in case of... We should reset everything. Actually, we should take them from there. So we reset temp. Temp? No, temp is not needed. select slime off, moving only one slime off. And probably the drunk slime bar here. And also the max slime value. Okay, I think that's all. I think that's all. That's all we needed. Okay. So we also have a correct initialization. Merge, reset. Let's see again. Okay, it's a perfect reset. Hopefully, I'm still not sure. You win! And you lose. That's another story. Okay. We have a reset. I think there is no undo button. I should maybe insert an undo button. But yeah, no, I won't do that. It's very hard to program actually, so no, absolutely not. It's still doable, but no. It's a very short game. That's unnecessary effort for it. Okay, so we have 2 levels. I think at this point we will have a lot of level design. Even if we can leave it for later, because now we have other things to do. Like the main menu, the drawings of the game. So we have those 2. We need a small menu in game, the graphics, the menu, and the level select, which is kind of all the same things. Next time we will probably draw the graphics. I'm not sure if the next time we will be making this game or Respawn Banter. I will see. It would be nice to alternate them as always, though. So I think we can end it there, because being a side project and being very short, it won't take that long to complete. Even if I still want to program a secondary mod, there are still a bunch of things to program. First of all is a infinite mode, where slimes spawn and you have to merge them indefinitely. Another thing to program which I would like to implement is a hole. A hole where a slime can fall. And so you need to be careful of it. Instead of mashing your head into walls, for example. And maybe other things to implement. Like pushable rocks, I don't know. There are a lot of opportunities to things to implement. We might see what to do after we make more levels. So, next time we will choose if we will draw or not. Oh, hi Sandy Fox, and I'm in HD! Ooh, thanks a lot! I'm sorry that the notification didn't appear. Maybe it was before. Still, thanks a lot nevertheless, I really appreciate it. How it's going? We were thinking what to add to our... Ah, okay, now I understand, here it is.
Notification.
I'm sorry that there is the basic animation now, because there was a problem in the system, I don't know. I need to re-upload again the GIFs for some reason. Wait, notification. I thought that was a system message. Oh well. We just finished programming, well, the base things we need for the slime merge minigame. Maybe I need also to program a zoom. Because, well, after drawing the images, we can think about the zoom maybe. But since we have the base minigame, now I should program a main menu next time. And then probably start thinking about the game graphics. We just need some slimes. We could also, since we are pretty lazy, we can just use one single image for slime. they will move sideways. like every merge game, right? They don't use the effort for showing where they moved. Even if I still need to make them turn in a direction. Drunk Slime, it's a spin-off. It's pretty a complex story. Not really. Because I was making another game, a side game called Everyone Else, where each level you play as someone else except the protagonist. And I wanted to make a merge level of slimes in a prison to free the protagonists. And since I already used the drunk slimes in the spawn banter, I thought, that could be a nice way to use them in a merge game. So it's not really a reference to the spawn banter, it's more like using the character I created in the Respawn Banter for making a side game. That's not the first time I did it, also. Because I already did some sort of God of Overlays spin-off for a game jam. It's more like I'm using... I won't lose an occasion to reference any old game I made to make a new one. Or a side one at this point. So yeah, next time I will gladly draw every drunk slime in the best way I can. We need to think about the main menu image, because we need a main menu image. And I'm not really good at drawing main menus. And also, yeah, draw the menu for placing characters. No, for placing every level. We still need to decide how to structure the menu, but I think we will have the main menu, press start. There won't be a load game because there will be only one file, since it's only a level-based game. We could make a story, but I don't know which story we can make with drunk slimes. I could try. I could think about it. Still, for now, it's a level-based game. Main menu, press start, or whatever. Then we have two options, level mode, free mode. And then, if you choose level mode, you have a selection of levels. I could make a star rating for each level, maybe. So you can... I think a star ranking for each level helps a lot, actually. It's pretty simple, because I can make that if you beat the level under certain moves, you get extra stars. So a player is incentivized to find the perfect solution. Yeah, I need to find myself the perfect solution anyways, but I hope it's best. I hope we'll be capable of. Other than this... I think that's everything. Yeah, I feel like now doing everything will take some time, so developing streams I should be shorter than usual, so I will be ending right there. But next time, in a week or two, we'll be doing some nice drawing. I'm not sure if they will be called beautiful or not. I will try my best. Not a long story, but we can create short episodes. For example, Drunk Slime episode 1. It was more intended to be a puzzle game. I don't really personally like episode games, because I really want the player to experience the full game in one setting. That's why also, even if it's necessary, I usually prefer not making very long demos of my games, because otherwise the new part, the surprise part, comes very later, much later. That's why I never thought for a second of having my game, Respawn Banter, come out in chapters, like first chapter, second chapter, for many reasons. Well, main reason is I don't like having others playing my game in chapters, because they can forget forget the previous parts or lose the interest or anything. And yeah, other reasons now that I think about it is I need the graphics for everything, so it's better to have a finished product anyways. Even if that's true that publishing more games, browser games even better, gets you more visibility, but I would prefer one concrete game. Now that I think about it, I should make a Tamagotchi game inspired by the minigame of... where is it? I did a Tamagotchi game in Invalidate, which was a purgatory on its own. I should make a game on it inspired by itself. On another stream maybe, after we finish at least two of those projects. Yeah, because again, web browser games helps a lot giving you visibility because players play them right away without downloading anything. The story of drunk slimes who try to transform into any guy in the country. Then one becomes a pole and thinks that he can't move anymore because poles can't move. Then you create another episode as payment DLC. I don't even know how to make payment DLC. I think just another game, but no. I'm not that kind of evil, okay? I'm not denying I'm evil, but not that kind of evil, okay? Okay, I think that's everything. So we can think who to raid. Ooh, we have a lot of nice people today on live. I want to stream to Azalean because it's a long time I don't see them in stream. So, Azalean, here it is. I don't know what they're doing. Blackberry Honey, is that a streamable game? Nah, okay, never mind. Let's go. Okay, that's everything. So, thanks a lot for coming by. We'll give you appointment to tomorrow at the same hour. We will be continuing the Cryptipedia by playing another RPG Maker game. And next week, we'll be continuing developing of or this game or Respawn Banter. I will see if I can find something to do for Respawn Banter in live. That's everything. Thanks another time. And we'll see ya whenever it happens.